Happy holidays and seasons greetings. My name is Ben and welcome back to the channel, guys, for a very special post-Christmas stash update. That's right, we're taking a little bit of a break from 12 sprues. I want to kind of just regain some of my mojo so I can get back on the bench and finish off day 11 and get on day 12. But until then, I thought it'd be really fun to do a real quick channel update and talk a little bit about a couple kits that I received during Christmas. So let's go ahead and jump in. Let me show you some cool kits. So first off, my girlfriend has outdone herself this year. Check this out. She picked up this model right here. This is a 1/144 scale, Slave 1 by Fine Molds. Now this is actually not just any Slave 1, this is Django Fett's Slave 1. And Django Fett is one of my favorite bounty hunters from the Star Wars series, and this kit looks pretty epic. The box is unfortunately ripped just slightly, but you know what, that doesn't matter because everything is here. All the parts were accounted for. We have everything that the original box would have had, so I'm super excited to go ahead and check this thing out. Now, I don't know what happened with Fine Molds. I know they used to hold the license for all the Star Wars vehicles and whatnot, and the models. Somehow they lost it, and now Bandai has it and Revell has it, so they're putting the model kits out. And all the Fine Mold kits are basically out of production, at least for their Star Wars material, which is actually too bad because they made a pretty killer kit. Check this out. So we have a giant fold out here with all the color codes, the decal placements, all that good stuff. You can actually frame this if you really wanted to. We also have a catalog in here of all the other Fine Mold models that we could have potentially purchased over the years, and they have some pretty nice looking kits too. So again, if you can find these, pretty sure they're super expensive, very hard to find, but my girlfriend somehow managed to get one. I don't know, the modeling gods must have been shining down upon her because we've got all the decals, we've got all the clear parts, we've got all the parts and pieces, we've got all the instructions. You can check out the details on these. It's actually pretty good. Like, I think this is probably on par with some of the Bandai kits for sure. Now, I don't know about Bandai's release of the Slave 1, but I know this one looks pretty good. So we might have to go ahead and check out that one as well, and then we can make a direct comparison, which would be kind of fun. So again, I got to give a big shout out to my girlfriend for finding this kit and for taking the time to actually buy it and surprise me with it. Thank you so much. This was absolutely an awesome gift. I can't say enough nice things about it, so thank you so much. Django Fett Slave 1 by Fine Molds, and she paid like $8 for it too, if you can believe it. Absolutely epic. Now moving right along here, guys, we actually had a little quick gift exchange with my good buddy Joe over at Mad Genius Productions. And sometimes we like to go ahead and exchange gifts, and if you know Joe, you know he's a stand-up guy, super friendly, very helpful, and very generous. Because he not only got me one gift this year, he actually picked up 2 kits, if you can imagine, 2. One of which was completely out of left field. I had no idea. So let me go ahead and show you what he ended up giving us. First off is the 1/72nd scale Revell Halifax B Mark III. Now this is actually a model kit that I've been wanting to build for a while because back years ago I ended up taking part in a group build called the Bomber Command Buddy Build, hosted by Martin Lamont. We had a lot of other people building a lot of really cool bombers, but he built the Halifax, and from that build I thought to myself, I've got to find one of these models. I was looking around and looking around. I never found one at a very good price, and by the time I actually went to go pull the trigger on one of them, it was way more money and they were very hard to get. So Joe happened to have one which he didn't want. And not only does it come with the full kit and all that, it even has a replacement radome by Quick Boost. It's a resin replacement part for the kit. I'm very impressed, and I'm so honored that he would give me something like this, something this cool. Joe, honestly, thank you so much for all the generosity, for everything you do here on the channel, all your effort, all your hard work, and thank you so much for all the buddy builds that we do. And when I do build this, I want to go ahead and do it up right and make you proud, buddy. Now, not only did he give me one model, like I said, he also was able to find something that I was not expecting in the slightest. Something that I have been looking for quite some time, and my jaw absolutely hit the floor when he showed this to me. This is the KF-44 Shoki by Hasegawa. Now this isn't just any old 1/48 scale Shoki. No. This is the one with the 40mm cannons there in the wings. These were very rare birds with massive guns. If you actually landed a hit with these guns, it could cripple, if not destroy, B-29 in like 1 or 2 shots. So very impressive. Very difficult to use weapon though, because they were very short range and they were very slow firing projectiles. But as you can see, this kit is a beautiful kit with a couple different options. We have one without the 40 mils and one with 40 mils, but why would you buy this kit if you didn't build it with the 40mm cannons? So probably not going to build this one. This is the one I'll probably go for with those 40 mils. Parts themselves look great. The decals, of course, are awesome. I'd probably try to paint a lot of the markings on just to make it a bit more authentic, but they look good as well. And then, of course, the parts. I've actually built a couple of KF-44s in the past by Hasegawa, and they always go together really well. Parts are clean, crisp, nicely recessed panel lines, and they are really honestly a joy to build. So this version here, having those 40 mils, I gotta tell you, I am super happy and very excited to build this one. Plus, those cannons are actually metal barrels. I cannot wait to sink my teeth into this kit for sure. So I just wanted to go ahead and say thank you again, Joe, for all of this. This is an amazing model. I've been looking for one of these for years, and I really want to say thank you so much for this awesome gift. I felt like I need to go buy you more Bandai kits, to be honest. I felt like I need to level the playing fields for sure, but it's all good. I won't dump a bunch of Bandai kits on you just yet. So again, Joe, thank you so much for taking the time, for picking this model kit up, and for finding it. First off, you have some mad eBay skills, my man, and I don't know how you find some of these kits that you find and at the prices you find. Mad skills there, so I really appreciate all the effort. But that is it, guys. Just a real quick post-Christmas stash update video. I wanted to say thank you again to Joe. Thank you again to my girlfriend. You guys are awesome. I'm going to go back onto the 12 sprues. I actually have just 2 more kits left to build, day 11 and day 12. Day 11 should be out on Friday, so look for that coming soon. And then day 12, I'm hoping to get that out on the 2nd, which I think is a Monday. So until our next episode, guys, you know the drill. Go out there, get yourself some bench time, have some fun, build something cool. Make sure to stay safe, keep yourselves healthy here in the new year. And we'll see you back here on the next episode of the 12 Sprues of Kit-mas, which will be on Friday for episode 11. Thank you so much, everybody. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you soon.